I'm so excited, I finally got the Minenssey vegan collagen mask set in my hands. Now this is a renovation on the much loved iconic cream clay masks, and it comes in a set so you can actually address all your different skincare needs, or you can do the 28-day routine, which is explained. And that's actually in line with your skin's own regenerative cycle. So all the masks have this innovative new ingredient from Spain, which is called recombinant vegan collagen. This ingredient actually tells your skin to make more collagen and elastin itself, so it's incredibly powerful. So the purifying mask is to deeply cleanse the skin, revive it. The brightening mask always had moonstone and snowflower in it, but now it's also got melanostatin, which is incredible at brightening, rejuvenating the complexion. The hydrating mask has the flannel flower still, that was the key ingredient originally. Now it has pentavitin, which is an incredible moisturizing ingredient from the Netherlands. And finally, the ageless overnight mask. So this one actually contains white truffle from Italy, which is an incredible ingredient. It's also known as white diamond. I love that this one is a cream mask and you can actually leave it on overnight. Any left, use it on your chest and the back of your hands. So the great thing with this one is you can just leave it on for as long as you like, and because it's clear, no one knows. I'll check in and see how my skin is in a few hours. I'm back. The mask has absorbed and my skin is just dewy and juicy and so hydrated. Very, very impressed.